This is a really easy and fun spinach pakora recipe. It's one of Aslam Bhai's recipes. For this recipe, you will need 2 medium-sized potatoes, a handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 heaped spoons of gram flour or besan. These are the potatoes we use, which we washed, peeled, and then sliced. You're going to want to chop them nice and thin like you would your chips. So this is our final look that we have. We then add the washed spinach to our potatoes. Once this is done, you're then going to add your gram flour, key ingredient. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, and 2 teaspoons of coriander. Again, this is to taste. You can mix and match according to what you prefer. This is just Aslam Bhai's recipe. So then we're going to add this to our besan mix, and right at the end we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it a nice stir, make sure you get all the spices everywhere, and then slowly we're going to start adding water. We like our batter not to be too runny, so this is the final consistency that we have. Once you're happy with your batter, you just pick it up and put it in the pan. Make sure your oil is nice and hot, and then just slowly put your pakoras in and wait until they are nice and golden brown. And voila, we are done. So this is a 2-part series. These are the 2 types of pakoras that we've got. So we've got the potato ones and the spinach ones, and they're really tasty. I really hope you enjoy them, and let me know what you think of this recipe.